do I get that kind of rolly R noise through the harmonica without actually rolling my R's?
You could just ignore it and just not do it, or you could do it.
But it sounds cool, and I want to be able to.
Something like that.
Okay.
What does the rolling R's? It's probably maybe Spanish or something, or Scottish.
Can't do that.
No. It's not. Is it too late for you to become Spanish?
I can't do it either. I never could.
But you're not Spanish or Scottish.
No, but I'm just
You're
saying.
definitely not Spanish.
Some people can, some people can't.
What do you do anything different though, Terry, or do you just ignore it?
I'd sort of, well, I can't exactly explain what I do, but it doesn't sound like that anyway.
Okay. Okay.
Well, as you said, Juliet, there's two types of people: those who can't roll their R's, and all the rest are fabulously rich and good looking.
Yes, clearly. Okay, so I'm just going to have to accept that I can't do it. I can't do another thing that sort of sounds a bit like it, which. Yeah, I can't do that.
Can you blow raspberries?
Yeah, I can blow raspberry. I think I can.
Have a go at that then.
Have a go at that then.
What? But my tongue's got nowhere to go. Not. Maybe just with my mouth.
No, your tongue gets in the way, really. If you do raspberries, can.
That's what I sound like.
Oh, sorry.
That's beautiful. It's a.
I'm just trying to think of something.
I'm sure I should have started this. Right.
Yeah, it's a thing of beauty. A thing of beauty is a joy forever, isn't it?
Okay.
Is it essential that you do this thing?
No, but it just sounds quite cool because you were doing it earlier when you were doing the chuggy thing, and I thought, oh, it sounds really good, and I can't do it.
So, ladies and gentlemen, what's an alternative to get that sound? How do we do it?
Miriam tried to teach me at the harmonica festival, and I still couldn't do it. I just spat all over her, so it didn't really work. It didn't really work.
Maybe you should hang out with Neil a bit. He's got it. He's got it off Pat, and Pat got it off Mick.
Maybe I need to do a bit of
It's harder to do it on the inhale, but you could do instead of yeah. I think you have to develop a brand new thing.
Yeah, maybe I do. I can't be the only one though. Maybe I'll develop it for all us hopeless people.
Yeah, it's just you and Terry.
Me and Terry, basically. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Well,
basically, I think I sort of do a thing with my tongue, which sort of goes. But that's as close as I can get. It's completely different.
What are you doing with your tongue though? Up and down, back and forth?
Up and down, yeah.
Up and down, okay.
Sounds like you're going do-do-do-do-do-do-do.
It is.
Okay.
Yeah, well, that would do it. A very fast vibrato would be very similar. If you can do a very fast vibrato.
Okay. Yeah, okay. Let me practice. I'll come back to you.
Or you could
like that.
Like a shiver type of thing. Or you could kind of sing into the harmonica. Who did that? Was it James Cotton? Someone used to do that. He would play a note into the microphone and he'd go ooh, as he had the harmonica in his mouth, and Ruby goes, how's he doing that? This is singing.
Okay. Let me go away and practice. I will come back.
All right. Dun, 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 dun. The bells are ringing very jazzy tonight, Juliet.
They're quite cool, actually. They're not quite as offensive as normal, are they?
Dum, 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 dum,
Yeah.
dum,
They'll get
dum.
out of time in a minute, though. That's always pleasing.
I would hope so.
I'll go back on mute. You don't have to listen
Okay.
to them.
It's lovely. I like the church bells. All right. Where else are we going to go?